Kitchen Suppression. Welcome to our course on Kitchen Fire Suppression Systems. In this session, we will discuss the importance of fire safety in kitchen environments. Understanding the key components and their functions is crucial for effective fire management. We will cover various suppression systems and their applications. Let's begin our discussion on kitchen fire suppression systems. Understanding kitchen fire suppression systems. Kitchen fire suppression systems are essential for protecting against fire hazards. They are specifically designed to address the unique risks associated with cooking environments. Understanding these systems enhances overall safety in commercial kitchens. Regular training ensures that staff are familiar with the suppression systems. Effective use of these systems can prevent significant damage and injuries. Overview and significance of the R102 Ansel box. The R102 Ansel box contains the fire suppression agent used in kitchen systems. It is designed for quick access in emergencies, ensuring rapid response. Understanding the significance of the Ansel box is crucial for effective fire suppression. Regular inspections ensure that the box remains functional and accessible. Effective use of the Ansel box can enhance safety during a fire event. Manual pull stations. How to activate the suppression system? Manual pull stations allow for the immediate activation of the suppression system. They are strategically located for easy access in case of a fire. Understanding how to activate the system is vital for quick response. Regular training ensures that personnel know the locations and operation of pull stations. Effective use of manual pull stations is crucial during emergencies. 2W duct nozzles, direct application of fire suppression agents. 2W duct nozzles are used for direct application of the suppression agent in duct systems. They ensure coverage of potential fire sources within the kitchen. Understanding the function of these nozzles is essential for effective fire management. Regular checks ensure that duct nozzles are properly installed and functional. Effective application of suppression agents can prevent fire spread. Plenum nozzles, achieving effective coverage in sealing spaces. Plenum nozzles are installed in sealing spaces to distribute the suppression agent evenly. They are important for protecting cooking equipment from fire hazards. Understanding their role enhances overall fire safety in kitchens. Regular inspections ensure that plenum nozzles are functional and accessible. Effective coverage is crucial for successful fire suppression efforts. Targeted delivery with 1/2N and 1N drop nozzles. 1/2N and 1N drop nozzles are designed for targeted delivery of suppression agents. They ensure effective suppression in critical areas of the kitchen. Understanding the specifications of these nozzles supports effective fire management. Regular assessments ensure that the nozzles are properly installed. Effective delivery of agents can significantly enhance safety during a fire. 230, 260, and 290 drop nozzles, design flexibility. Different drop nozzle sizes, such as 230, 260, and 290, provide flexibility in kitchen designs. They are key to ensuring proper agent distribution throughout the kitchen. Understanding the design options enhances overall fire safety management. Regular evaluations ensure that drop nozzles meet the kitchen layout needs. Effective design contributes to successful fire suppression. 3N drop nozzles, comprehensive coverage for larger equipment. 3N drop nozzles are specifically designed for enhanced coverage of larger cooking appliances. They ensure thorough suppression during a fire event. Understanding their application is crucial for effective fire management in commercial kitchens. Regular assessments ensure that these nozzles are functional and positioned correctly. Effective coverage is essential for protecting larger equipment from fire hazards. Early detection of kitchen fires, the role of detectors. Detectors sense heat and smoke to trigger the fire suppression system. They are essential for the early detection of kitchen fires. Understanding the role of detectors supports effective fire safety planning. Regular maintenance ensures that detectors function correctly. Effective detection is crucial for rapid response to fire incidents. Types of detectors and maintenance best practices. There are various detector types used in kitchen systems, including smoke and heat detectors. Reliable detection is important for system activation during emergencies. Regular maintenance practices are essential to ensure functionality. Understanding the types of detectors supports effective fire management. Regular checks enhance the reliability of detection systems. Enhancing safety with the Ansel mechanical gas shut-off valve. The Ansel mechanical gas shut-off valve automatically shuts off the gas supply during activation. This prevents further fuel supply to the fire, enhancing safety. Understanding the valve's function is crucial for effective fire management. Regular inspections ensure that the shut-off valve operates properly. Effective use of the valve can significantly reduce fire hazards. Fire suppression system layout, understanding the diagram. The layout diagram illustrates the placement of key components in the fire suppression system. It is important for planning and installation to ensure optimal coverage. Understanding the layout supports effective fire safety management. Regular assessments ensure that the layout meets fire safety requirements. Effective planning contributes to successful fire suppression efforts. Isometric view, 3D visualization of the kitchen suppression system. The isometric view provides a 3D representation of the kitchen suppression system. It highlights component arrangements and spatial relationships. Understanding this visualization is useful for grasping system design. Regular evaluations ensure that the design meets operational needs. Effective visualization can aid in training and system understanding. Maintaining system integrity, compression seal detector details. Compression seal detectors are vital for ensuring system integrity. They prevent contamination and ensure reliable operation of the system. Understanding these details supports effective fire management. Regular checks ensure that seals are functional and intact. Effective maintenance contributes to the overall reliability of the system. Efficient cylinder arrangement for optimal use of space. The layout of cylinders containing the suppression agent ensures efficient use of space. Accessibility is critical for effective system operation. Understanding cylinder arrangement enhances overall fire safety. Regular assessments ensure that cylinders are positioned correctly. Effective arrangement contributes to successful fire suppression efforts. Specifications and features of the Ansel box. The specifications and features of the Ansel box are designed for durability and quick access. It protects the suppression agent from damage while ensuring rapid deployment. Understanding these specifications supports effective fire safety planning. Regular evaluations ensure that the box remains functional and accessible. Effective use of the Ansel box can enhance fire safety in kitchens. Thank you. Thank you for participating in our course on kitchen suppression systems. I hope you found the information valuable for understanding fire safety in kitchen environments. Our next class will focus on IT room fire suppression, where we will explore additional essential concepts in fire safety. We look forward to seeing you there.